right, back to our equipment-free series, right? So remember these little guys, and if we don't have this, let's just go with your average hand towel. So right now we're going to do a half kneeling row, something I do all the time. Love half kneeling positions. Really helps us work on getting towards understanding unilateral or single leg stability, all right? But half kneeling is a position that we will have in some form of our programming pretty much every month. Half kneeling rows, very, very common for in here. One of my favorite exercises. All right, but we don't have a band, we don't have access to a cable machine, whatever it is, what can I do instead? Well, we can go with a towel. So I'm going to reach as far as I can with my non-pulling hand, and that's going to be the same side of the body of the knee that's up, of the front leg. So I'm reaching out as far as I can. And then I try and keep that hand there, and I start to pull back. Reach, pull, reach, pull. And right now my lats right underneath the armpit and the shoulder blade are working super hard. And I also have to work this glute. I have to squeeze as hard as I can here. Otherwise, as I pull back, everything is just going to open up and collapse. All right? So proper resistance training, we're not only fighting the resistance of the tool, but also what our body wants to do, how our body wants to collapse. So I'm not letting that happen. Squeezing this glute as hard as I can, pushing as hard as I can down into that leg, and pull the arm back. The other beautiful thing about this is you can accommodate the resistance. So you want to go a little easier, go a little easier. You want to go a little harder, go a little harder. Just put more tension on that front hand. But the main thing is that you're working at an appropriate level. You're not just going easy because you don't have any equipment. I could do this all day long. That's not an exercise. You have to be honest with yourself about body weight exercises. All right? You've got to put in appropriate tension where is needed. Otherwise, you are doing nothing. All right, awesome.